welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how humanoid robots are assembled step by step.
Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory videos like this.
This is the world of modern robotics, where metal, software, and artificial intelligence come together to create machines that move, sense, and respond like humans. Every humanoid robot begins its journey here. Aluminum frames, circuit boards, servo motors, sensors, and wiring systems arrive at this high-tech facility. Each component is carefully inspected under bright LED lighting to ensure absolute precision and quality. Up close, we see finely engineered parts, slowly rotating motors, AI processor chips, camera sensors, and force feedback joints. Robot arms, legs, and torso modules are pre-assembled with the help of holographic schematics and automated calibration systems. The robot structure now starts to take shape. Powerful robotic arms assemble the humanoid skeleton with extreme accuracy, attaching limbs, joints, and the central torso. Inside the control room, engineers monitor real-time 3D models, torque values, and alignment data on massive digital displays. At the same time, complex wiring and fiber optic cables are routed through the robot's body and connected to the central AI processor. This stage brings the robot closer to life. Cameras, LiDAR units, microphones, and pressure sensors are installed in the robot's head and limbs. Next, the robot's brain is added, the artificial intelligence core and neural processing units. This advanced intelligence allows the robot to see, hear, learn, and respond to its environment. As power is activated for the first time, fingers flex, the head turns, and the robot's legs stabilize with smooth, controlled motion. Now the humanoid robot receives its final appearance. Sleek exterior panels, protective casings, and synthetic skin layers are carefully installed. Facial assembly is the most delicate process. Expressive mechanisms beneath the skin and glowing LED eyes bring the robot's face to life. Finished humanoid robots stand upright on charging platforms, ready for final testing. Each robot undergoes rigorous testing. Balance, walking motion, grip strength, and response accuracy are evaluated on advanced testing platforms. Robots interact with objects, respond to voice commands, and navigate obstacle courses. Every test ensures safety, reliability, and human-like performance. As evening falls, the entire facility glows with futuristic blue and white lights, a glimpse into the future of robotics.
And that's how humanoid robots are assembled, from components to intelligent machines.
For more factory tours and cutting-edge technology documentaries, be sure to subscribe.